welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about also OKX. We have discussed in last video about OKX, how we can create account, how to download, how to set up, how to get the backup, all information of OKX in my last video. If you have not watched that video, so please go to my YouTube channel and click on video portion. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about how we can find wallet address, Ethereum wallet address, USDT wallet address, Bitcoin wallet address. If you need to deposit your account, so you must have your wallet address. So how can you find? So simple and easy. In this video I'm giving you complete information, so please, before going to start this video, subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can see here viewers, YouTube channel is open in front of me, and I'm going to click on video portion. And now you can see here my last video, how to create account of OKX wallet. And this is a self custodial wallet, means this is decentralized. If you need to save your funds, you must create account on this decentralized Google extension. Okay. And now we are going to log in my account, and after that I will find our wallet address for deposit. And second option is OKX, so I'm going to click on pin, and then you can see here the OKX icon shown in front of me. I just simple open, enter my password here. I have entered my password because when I was create account, I have applied. Your wallet is like your bank account, so you must apply your strong password. Okay, otherwise your fund will be lost. So click on unlock, and now you can see here my wallet is open in front of me. I'm going to click on extend view. It's shown here. I think there's not shown, just shown the setting option. Okay, let's suppose you want to deposit, so you must have the wallet. How can you find? You can see here there's main wallet is available here, USDT, USDC, BTC, and Ethereum. This time Bitcoin price is $72,000 and Ethereum price is almost $3,700. Let's suppose you want to deposit USDT in your OKX wallets from Binance or from any other exchange. So how can you find the wallet address? Simple is that you just simple click on it, and after that there's two options available, send and receive, and you just simple click on receive option. You can see here your wallet address is shown here. So be careful when you are going to deposit on your USDT. So make sure which network you are going to use. You can see here there is shown Ethereum network. Let's suppose you want to deposit on your wallet. So let's suppose you want to send the money from Binance. So when you are going to send money, let's suppose USDT in your this wallet, so you must select the network, correct network like Ethereum. If you select other network, so maybe your fund will be lost. Okay, keep in your mind. So this is my wallet address. Let's suppose I want to deposit, so just simple copy this wallet address, or I can scan this QR code. How can you scan this QR code? Simple is that you just download the application QR code scanner, and after that open this application. So your mobile back camera will be open, and when you can scan this QR code, so you will get same wallet ID at your mobile. You just simple copy and paste that section where you want to send the money. Okay, so keep in your mind. So I just simple copy this wallet address and going to open notepad file. Why? Because I don't want to open and open again my wallet on security basis. I just open my notepad file and type here USDT wallet address, or also I am going to set the network of ETH, means my wallet address of USDT on Ethereum network. Okay, so when you're going to deposit any amount on this, you simple must type all information about your wallet with going to deposit. And you can see how correctly type USDT wallet address network of Ethereum, and this is my wallet address. And I'm going to also find the Ethereum network and also Bitcoin, like same there. So this is very convenient for you if you have saved already your all address in your notepad file, because you don't need to open your wallet on the security basis. So I have already saved my all wallet addresses in my notepad file. When I want to deposit, simple is that I just copy wallet address from my notepad file and send that person who want to send the money. Okay, so I have find the USDT wallet address and now going to click on Ethereum. You can use same scenario like copy and open notepad file, simple type here ETH wallet address, and you know the address is Ethereum wallet, and the network is also Ethereum, so no need to type here Ethereum network. Simple, start with double dash, and now I'm going to find the last wallet address, that is a Bitcoin. And you can also use same scenario with other like ARB or any other wallet. So we're going to click on Bitcoin, and now click on receive button, and now click on copy address, and now open the notepad file again, and there you need to type the network also BTC wallet address, and also type the network taproot. Keep in your mind, okay, otherwise you select the wrong network, so maybe your fund will be lost. Okay, so be careful when you're going to send money from your wallet to OKX wallet, so must cross check the network. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you find the wallet address of your Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT from your OKX wallets. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and also you can comment below this video. I will read your comments. I hope I will resolve your problem. So please also share this video your Facebook group or your WhatsApp group, because some people need to get the proper information about wallets. So before going to use any wallet, you must check the my YouTube channel playlist. So there is I have uploaded almost 50 to 60 wallets. So before going to use any wallet, you must watch all videos, otherwise maybe you make any mistake on your wallet, your phone will be lost. So keep in your mind. So please touch with us, and we will meet you in new video. Bye bye.